Hi everyone, my name is Sushma Lohitsa and I'd like to welcome you to my 4th grade geology class. This is a blended course that has you participate and engage in both a lab and an online setting. The online portion of this class will give you a chance to share what you know about our subject matter, learn and discover a little bit more about our in-depth content, as well as give you an opportunity to apply what you know in the form of an authentic assessment. The in-class portion of this course will primarily focus on projects, interactive labs, and engineering design challenges in your groups at school. At the end of this module, you will know all about why and how land changes over time. You'll also engineer a solution to a massive erosion problem right here in Chicago. Let's take a look at our site. On the Meet Miss Lohitsa tab, there's a little information about getting to know me. But what's important about this tab is there's a contact form. If you have any questions, please fill this out and I'll get back to you within 24 hours. If you go to the About section of the course, there's a little information about the learning goals, our course outcomes, my expectations for you as a learner, the grading policy for my class, and information about upcoming discussion posts. This project has 3 chapters. Each chapter has 2 lessons. On the chapter screen, you'll find a checklist of all the assignments and their due dates for both class and online. Please make sure to check them as I will update them if necessary. Let's take a look at Lesson 1 so you have an idea of what you're working with. Every lesson has 5 major components: a getting started, making connections, completing an investigation, a summary, and assessment piece. The getting started is to help you get connected with the things that we're going to be talking about in class. Making connections will always be a book or a video to help you jog your memory, get started, and to dig a little deeper. You will always be designing an investigation that we will actually conduct in class, but part of what you need to know in this lab is how to complete an investigation. I'll give you a list of materials, you'll be designing your lab, and send it to me in a Google Drive Dropbox. After you conduct your experiment in class, I'll leave you a summary clip which will give you an informational overview of everything we've learned. And finally, I'll ask you to complete an assessment to help me understand what you've taken away as the big components of this lesson. I'm always here to help you out. I'm only an email or a class click away. Please make sure that you reach out to me if you need anything. I'm looking forward to learning and growing with you this year as we get together during this geology coursework.